In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best blow dryers in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these blow dryers, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Condor 225 NP. The Condor 225 NP is a budget-oriented Ionic ceramic hair dryer that has been on the market for quite long, but even today, thanks to its wonderful performance, users are still purchasing it, which has to mean something. This unit is available in 2 colors on Amazon, such as the black-colored one which we are currently reviewing and the pink-colored version, but keep in mind that both of them share the same specs, so you won't make a wrong decision regardless of the chosen version. First of all, I'd like to inform you that this unit has a sleek and lightweight body that weighs only 1.8 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver, so your hands won't be fatigued while you're drying your hair for a longer period of time. In addition, the handle does not only feel soft and offer a good grip, but it also has a strategically positioned cool button, and a switch button that will let you choose between the high, low or off mode, so you won't have any difficulties while choosing your ideal setting. At the bottom, there is a 5.5 feet long power cord which is kinda short in my opinion, but still, I think that for its price tag, this is completely normal. Moreover, this unit comes with 2 attachments included, such as the concentrator of which you can take an advantage in order to straighten multiple sections of your hair, as well as a diffuser which will ensure that the heat will be evenly spread across your hair, with the intention to add a voluminous and natural look. I would also like to mention that the 225 NP is powered by a high-torque motor, uses the tourmaline ceramic technology as well as the Ionic technology, where each of them will play a huge role to the drying process. For instance, the high-torque motor ensures that your hair will be completely dried within a very short period of time. The tourmaline ceramic technology is there for you to protect your hair from damaging, while the Ionic technology has a purpose to make your hair shine so that it will look beautiful anywhere you go. To conclude, the Condor 225 NP is worthy of considering, because it is inexpensive, yet it performs like a high-end one. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rusk Weightless. The Rusk Weightless is a 2000-watt dryer that would be a really good option for everyone who is looking for a blow dryer that combines an attractive look, powerful performance with a price that is affordable for everyone's budget, so let's find out why you should consider this unit. This particular model features an elegant, all-white lightweight body that weighs around a pound, which by default makes it exceptionally easy to use and suitable for everyone who requires spending much time while drying his or her hair. In addition, the handle is thin and nicely engineered as well, which is something that I particularly like, due to the fact that you will have a greater control over the device while you're drying your hair. The handle also houses 2 physical buttons of which you can take an advantage and switch between the cool, warm, off and low whenever you want, because your fingers will be close to them so you won't have any difficulties in terms of use. I would also like to inform you that this unit packs 7 heat and speed settings. Moreover, the Rusk Weightless is shipped with a detachable concentrator nozzle as well, and once you attach the nozzle and point it a bit upwards from underneath the hair, your hair will start getting volumized regardless of the type of your hair, which is really cool. Another great thing about this device is that it uses a far-infrared heat technology, which basically means that this dryer will dry your hair from the inside out, while producing a less concentration of heat on the top layer of each hair strand. The benefits you will have in return is that your hair will not be damaged, but instead, it will be healthy and will have a natural look, which is something that all of us want. Last but not the least, most of those who've used this product claim that it operates silently, so you won't bother anyone around you while you're drying your hair, and you will see this by your own once you get this product. Overall, if you're looking for a quality blow dryer that offers a great value for its cost, then this is the one for you. Next up, at number 3, we have the Ionic. The Ionic dryer is a professional and ultra-lightweight dryer that has received numerous positive critiques from the users on the market, mainly because of its ability to dry different types of hairs within a really short period of time. This model sports a luxurious, all-black construction that weighs less than a pound, making it one of the most lightweight options that you can find on the market, so as you already know, this is extremely important because you will enjoy having convenient drying sessions. Along the top part and the handle, you will notice the presence of blue accents as well, which add even more beauty to its already beautiful appearance, and when you see it as a whole, I think that you won't stop admiring its look. Since I've mentioned the handle, I would like to inform you that you will find a cool button positioned on the top of the handle, while slightly below, there is a switch button that will let you turn off the unit, or choose between the 3 settings such as the low, medium and high. Moreover, the Ionic dryer comes with a 9 feet long cord that will make you way more mobile during your drying sessions, since you won't have to be stuck in one place as is the case with most of the dryers on the market. But what got my attention the most regarding this product is the fact that it uses a brushless EcoDrive motor that uses 75% less electricity according to the manufacturer, while providing a strong blow that can dry your hair in less than 10 minutes as the manufacturer states. Another great thing about this device is that it uses an advanced natural ionic technology which in practice, ensures that your hair will not be damaged, but instead, it will be hydrated and effectively dried, and most of the users had the similar experience, which is awesome. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider this product, because it looks as good as it performs, and you will never be disappointed by its performance if you ever decide to purchase it. Moving on, at number 2, we have the T3 Cura Lux. The T3 Cura Lux is a digital ionic dryer that's maybe not the most affordable dryer that you can find on the market, but considering its exceptionally powerful performance and numerous features, I think that you can't go wrong with this device. This model boasts a gorgeous, glossy black body with copper accents that are spread along its removable filter positioned on the back, the top and the bottom, so when you see it as a whole, I have to admit that this unit looks overwhelming. In addition, this unit comes with 2 concentrations of which you can take an advantage, where each of them is capable enough to provide an even spread of the heat across your hair, so you won't be restricted on anything. I would also like to mention that this model has an ergonomic handle that packs digitally controlled heat settings with 2 speeds, 5 temperatures, an auto pause sensor, a lock and cool shot button and a volume booster switch, so as you can see, you will be equipped with everything that guarantees a proper hair drying. Moving on, the T3 Cura Lux integrates a built-in ion generator as well, which releases negative ions that will smooth your hair on one side, while on the other, your hair will have a frizz-free and healthy look. Aside of drying, you can also style your hair without any problem with the included attachment, and once you're done, there is the cool shoot function that will make your hair look shine with elegance. According to numerous users, the T3 Cura Lux doesn't produce a loud and distracting noise regardless of your chosen settings, which is yet another good reason that says a lot about its performance. But that's not all. Users were extremely satisfied with the integrated motor as well, and most of them claimed that even after 2 to 3 years of usage, they haven't noticed any noticeable decrease with its performance, so I have to admit that the manufacturer did a really good job here. Overall, the T3 Cura Lux deserves your attention, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of its enormous potential. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. The Dyson Supersonic would be a top option for everyone who wants to invest in a premium hair dryer that can be used for both home and commercial use thanks to its high-end capabilities that will never disappoint you. This particular model boasts an iron-finished body with fuchsia pink accents wrap the rear of the unit, but if you prefer a different color scheme, then you can choose the white and silver edition, which shares the same functionalities, but differs a little bit with its price. When you open the box, aside from the dryer, you will also find a magnetic attachment, a smoothing nozzle, diffuser, and a styling concentrator, so from the very beginning, you will be equipped with everything necessary. Moving on, the handle does not only looks attractive, but it is armed with a rubber mount that will reduce the vibrations that are produced by the motor, so you can conveniently dry your hair without dealing with shakings. I would also like to mention that you will find 2 buttons on the top, yet 2 more buttons positioned on the handle, and thanks to their placement, you won't have any difficulties switching between settings and tailoring the heat and speed according to your preferences. To be more precise, there are 4 precise heat settings including the fast drying and styling, regular drying, gentle drying, and constant cold, as well as 3 speed settings such as the fast drying, regular drying, and gentle drying, so you can use the included attachments accordingly. Moreover, the Dyson Supersonic uses a so-called heat shield technology, which means that the included attachments will stay cool, so you can attach and detach them anytime you want without getting injured, so without a doubt, Dyson deserves our applaud here. Finally, the Dyson Supersonic also has an integrated motor that is optimized not only to dry your hair evenly, but also to keep quiet during the performance, so for now, I'm really unable to find any remarks. Overall, the Dyson Supersonic is a must-have option, so give it a try and assure yourself of its breath-plus-taking performance. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these blow dryers, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.